Hi, everybody. I'm Dan from the Managed Services team here at Planet Technologies, and I'm here to bring you this week's Play of the Week. Many organizations that utilize Intune to manage their mobile devices also allow users to bring their own device. The setup process for BYOD devices involves installing the company portal app from the App Store. For Android devices, this process is fairly pain-free and straightforward. However, the process for iOS adds extra auth prompts, app downloads, and steps, culminating in a process that can be relatively overwhelming for new users. Beginning in July of this year, however, Microsoft will be rolling out Web Enrollment for iOS devices. This is a new and streamlined BYOD enrollment flow that leverages JIT, or just-in-time registration, which was previously only available for enrolling corporate-owned and managed devices through Apple's automated device enrollment process. This new web enrollment will be a much faster and easier way for users to get productive securely, and we here on the Managed Services team are definitely looking forward to this one. That's all for this week's Play of the Week. Be sure to tune in next week for more info. Thanks and have a great day, everybody.